Replace the M3 board with the H2 board. First, disconnect all cables from the old motherboard. Remove the screws securing the motherboard. Take out the old motherboard. Identify the mounting holes in the chassis. Place the H2 motherboard into the original position. Note, ensure at least 3 mm of clearance under the motherboard. To prevent short circuits caused by pins touching the chassis, align the board and secure it with screws. The USB, power, motor, and limit interfaces are identical. You can connect these cables first. The difference lies in the wiring of the laser power control and expansion interfaces. Control logic: H2 uses low for switching and PWM for power. M3 uses L for switching and relies on the panel for power adjustment. This is the laser power control panel used with the old M3 board. As you can see, this panel connects directly to the laser power supply. It typically connects to the K+, K, G, in, and 5 volts terminals of the power supply. Please disconnect all wires from this control panel. Locate the laser connection cable. Plug the labeled end into the motherboard's PWM interface. Plug the other end into the in port of the laser power supply. Ensure correct mapping: yellow to in pin, black to G pin. Note the wiring: yellow wire to PWM pin, black wire to GND pin. Alternative, you can skip the PWM connection and use the old panel to control power. However, this method has 3 limitations. 1. You must manually adjust power via the panel. 2. Lightburn cannot control power for different layers. 3. Only constant power is supported. Grayscale engraving is not available. It is recommended to use the motherboard's PWM interface for laser control. Do not connect both the power panel and PWM simultaneously. Doing so may cause signal conflicts and lead to power control malfunctions. For expansion interfaces, please connect them according to your actual setup as shown in the wiring instructions. If your hardware differs from the video, please verify your machine's pin definitions first. Once confirmed, proceed to connect them to the motherboard following the wiring guide. After wiring is complete, please proceed to the parameter configuration tutorial.